wait, have you ever wondered how you can create shots like these to farm millions of views? I'm going to show you just that in this video. All you have to do is download this application, which you probably already have, and I'm going to show you how you can create videos like these in like under 5 minutes. So let's get started. To make videos like these, you need to go ahead and download Microsoft Clipchamp. You already have it on your laptop, but if you do not have it, you can go to Windows Store and download it for free. So once we do that, we're going to open the app, create a new project, and we're going to import all the media we need. So to import media, you need to go ahead and download a gameplay for free, which is copyright free, or else you can just record your own gameplay. You could add an optional background music if you need it, and that's it. And you need a story. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my gameplay, and this gameplay is going to have a Subway Surfer gameplay, and I'm going to resize the screen to 9:16 because it's a short format. Once I've dropped this, I'm also going to go ahead and drop my background music. This is again optional. Once I drop it, I will decrease the volume to around 8 to 12%. Now, once we are done doing this, I'm going to go ahead and go to a Reddit post that I'm going to convert. So I just first took a screenshot of the Reddit post, the title of it, so that I can paste it on the starting 2 to 3 seconds of the shot. And I've pasted it in the Clipchamp right now. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and copy the contents of the story, and I'm simply going to paste it in this box, and I'm going to click. I'm just going to take a random person's voice, which will be narrating as the story, and then I will be clicking on save, and it will continue. Now our text to speech is done. Now we are going to generate auto captions. So to do that, we are just simply going to go ahead and click on the captions option in the top right corner, and it will start generating captions. Now mind, sometimes this does glitch out and it does not work. So if that happens, you just have to export the video and then redo the whole thing. Alright, now we are going to go ahead and customize our captions, how they look, where they are positioned. We can change our font, we can add effects and all that good things. I'm just going to go ahead and change its font, and I'm going to place it just near the middle side of our screen. Alright, now that we are done, we are just gonna go ahead and export this video. As you can see, it took me less than 5 minutes to create a video like this. And once you have the template, you can create videos a lot faster. So if this video helped you, if you want to create a new channel like this, go ahead and tell me what the channel's name is and link it below in the comments, so that I will be able to check out what content you guys have been creating. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe and push the bell icon